Artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we work, it's changing who gets rich. While most people still use ChatGPT to write emails or homework, others are using it to build entire businesses that make money on autopilot. In 2025, the smartest creators aren't the ones who work the hardest, they're the ones who automate everything. Here are 5 insane ways people are using AI to make money while they sleep. Number 1, fully automated YouTube channels. You don't need a camera, a voice, or even video editing skills anymore. Tools like Pictory, HeyGen, and 11 Labs can take a simple text script and turn it into a complete video with visuals and a realistic voiceover. That's why thousands of people are running faceless channels about tech, motivation, or finance, all made by AI. Some of these channels post every single day and pull in thousands of views, with ad revenue and affiliate links adding up while the creators sleep. What used to take a full production team can now be done by one person and a few smart prompts. Number 2, AI art and digital products. Platforms like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Ideogram have made it possible for anyone to become a designer overnight. People are using these tools to create posters, coloring books, wallpapers, and even character packs, all sold on sites like Etsy or Gumroad. The process is simple. Generate the art once, upload it, and let the sales roll in. Some creators have built entire shops with hundreds of AI designs, earning passive income from work they did months ago. You don't need to be an artist anymore. You just need good ideas and timing. Number 3, selling AI prompts. It might sound crazy, but people are literally selling sentences. On marketplaces like PromptBase, creators upload special prompts that generate perfect logos, social media posts, or product photos, and they sell them for real money. Think of prompts as secret recipes for AI. A good one can save hours of trial and error, so people pay for it. Some prompt engineers are making thousands a month just by knowing how to talk to ChatGPT and other models effectively. In 2025, being good at prompting is like being good at coding, but 10 times easier to start. Number 4, AI-powered freelancing. Freelancers are quietly using AI to multiply their income. A copywriter who used to write 1 article a day can now deliver 5, using ChatGPT for outlines and editing. Designers use Canva Magic Studio or Firefly to finish projects in half the time. Video editors are using Runway and Pika to automatically remove backgrounds and generate B-roll. The result? Faster work, more clients, and higher pay. Some freelancers are even creating AI-assisted gig packages on Fiverr, like, "I'll make your entire YouTube video using AI," and they're booked out for weeks. You don't need to compete with AI, you can use it to outpace everyone else. And number 5, automated AI businesses. This is where things get wild. People are building full businesses that run by themselves, AI systems that write posts, design ads, and even handle customer support. With tools like GPT agents, Zapier, and Make.com, you can chain together AIs to run entire workflows without lifting a finger. Imagine waking up, checking your dashboard, and seeing your business has already made sales overnight. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. A single creator can now do what used to require a whole company, all thanks to automation. So what does this mean for you? AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's rewriting the rules of work. In the old world, people traded time for money. In the new world, you trade ideas for automation. You can scale creativity infinitely because your tools never sleep. But here's the truth. Only a small group of people will take advantage of it. Most will scroll past AI news while others quietly build wealth with it. The gap between knowing and doing is what separates viewers from creators. If you're watching this right now, you're early. Every one of these opportunities is still wide open. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or full-time creator, the tools are right in front of you. You don't need to code or invest thousands. You just need curiosity, creativity, and the courage to start. Because somewhere out there, someone's making money in their sleep, with the exact same tools you have right now. The question is, will that person be you?